I am so excited to announce a new class format for me. Now that I'm retired, I've got some time to play. So I'm going to be offering a class that is called Kits and Sips. This is going to be a little bit different from the classes that I normally teach. So this is going to be a smaller group of people, and there is going to be a lot of pampering going on. So each class is going to have a different theme. You're not going to know what kit you're going to get. It's going to be a fun little surprise for you. But there's going to be food and beverages included with this. So every class is going to have a signature drink, which is also available in a non-alcoholic format. There's going to be a lot of goodies to eat and a lot of camaraderie. So this is a time for you to get your friends or your family together, have a girls' night out or a girls' afternoon out, and treat yourself to some really fun food and camaraderie, and make some cards along the way. So my first one is going to be May 17th at 1:30 in the afternoon. So class size is limited. So if you would love to register, please contact me and get yourself registered for the class. It's going to be $35, and it's probably going to last a couple of hours. So I really hope you can join me on May 17th. This is the first one. I've already got the second one planned. And one word of warning for this one: if you're allergic to nuts, you probably don't want to do this very first one. So I've got a lot of fun things to share with you when you come to this. I think you're going to love it. See you soon.